Good morning. Welcome, welcome. Let me just start the other stream as well. I'm gonna open this thing and dump. Cool. Give me one moment. Gotta fix this. Music stops when I start this. There we go. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, good morning. There we are again. I just did a small retest in that 4-hour time frame. Actually, not for that. We got this 5-minute just engulfing, so hopefully it can break its own low and continue driving down towards maybe over here, and have that first partial TP, second partial TP over here, and then let it run to the 87 zone over here. That would be the best idea, I think. Personally, I'm in a little bit higher. I've got a sell limit, so later on. There you go. This is a very good entry as well, maybe. Stop loss wise, stop loss is not, it's pretty big, so you have to be careful with that. Let's go to here. Streaming, yes, it is perfect. It's 92 area for a short, but didn't get it unfortunately yet. That's why I sometimes get in a little bit earlier, Alexander, because price tends to just not tap your zone and then go like the same line as I have. I'm good. I'm 30 now, so I hope it just got further down. My stop is already at break even. I'm not gonna let my draw on anymore. Literally happened the moment I was starting the stream. The same thing, 92 entry, yes. And as you can see on a 4-hour time frame, we flipped this 4-hour candle again. So you can see this retest here. Hopefully it stays on this retest. It's not going to come back up anymore. And then it decides to just continue moving down. That would be the best. I'm just looking myself and where I'm going to take my first profit. And I think my first profit's going to be like, I haven't taken any profit yet. That's the thing. Even if you got the 5-minute entry, you'd be up now, so that's pretty good. Yeah, I'm really looking to take profit all over here somewhere, like right here. Oh, geez. That support. You can see there's a pretty strong zone, as you can see to the left side, tap, tap, tap. But that also means there's equal lows, and what happens to equal lows? Equal lows get broken. So we now have a 5-minute closing below the most recent 5-minute support, so hopefully it can hold it down. Means the 15-minute candle is also breaking the previous low. I think this was here to get buyers in. You can see that resistance right here. So buyers above this area, and actually it's going to go back up to that 4-hour resistance. Let's see. Good morning. Morning to you. Yo, Darren. How are you, man? I'm just hoping it can hold it down. This kind of closed below this area. Just need to flip again and continue. I wouldn't be surprised if this was the pullback and then a fake out again and then continuation again. There's maybe a retest area somewhere. Oh, really? Let's invite some people to the room. Okay, so hopefully we're gonna respect this and then turn around. Spike up. Average move. It went up around 60 pips. That's a lot. Hopefully we can move down at 60 pips again. That would be good. First profit is pretty far, but just trying to let that position run. Let it do its thing. It's on break even anyways now, so if I lose it, give a fuck. There we go. Buy gold 8, 9, target 93. And I'm sales. I would be careful. That would not be my plan. Well, if it closed bullish, yeah, then you could. But as you can see, this 5-minute candle is rejecting right now. I've got 1 minute left for this candle to close. And I see people buying, which makes my sell valid. I don't want to be annoying, but moment when everyone is going to buy is when price is going to sell off. That's it. Yo, Koala. Plug in his mic.
Yo.
You in sales too?
No.
Yeah, I'm.
I close all my cells because I've actually got a change of bias now.
Okay, you're looking for buys.
Yeah.
I'm looking to go one more time down and then break these equal lows over here.
Well, I actually tried something new.
What do you do?
Ben je aan het streamen?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Oh, otherwise, I was like tell you in Dutch, but it's just like off 1 hour pattern. So I'm actually gonna buy on this 1 hour engulfing candle.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Yeah, okay. Okay.
So I'm actually in drawdown now, and I have stops below this structure,
Okay.
but I have it on with a 0.01.
No, just test out.
Yeah, I'm really just testing it,
Um,
seeing if it's something for me to. But I can't stand this drawdown. I'm going crazy already.
I just secured 60%. I'm 35 pips up. I took a sell based on the 4-hour time frame. If you look on the 4-hour time frame, we broke through the support, right? Closed below, and then this candle went down without a bottom wick, without a top wick, right? So then it decided to turn around, make a top wick, and retest this area, and exactly where it retested, I got in sells to press continue. Seeing
That's a
if
nice sell.
yeah, thinking about it. I'm trying to see if we can take it to 86 and then 82, and then break that level all the way to 78, and then after that continue moving up back up towards that 1810, 1812 area.
Yeah, that's a good sell. That's a nice little analysis right here.
Yeah, pretty much my entry is 91.34. I wanted to get in higher. My sell limit was actually over here and was just at London Open, and I was setting up the stream as well. And I saw this candle close without a top wick. I was like, nah, we need to get in right now.
Mm. Yeah, this is kind of absurd. The fucking 1 hour
Just
candle
flying
open,
right
just crashed.
now. I'm good.
Yeah, I'm kind of mad at myself that I closed out all my sales yesterday. All right, bro, I'm taking all this off the table. It was like 250 pips. I'm like, come here, bag it.
Bro, even I called you 5-minute sells on this candle as well. That could have given you in the beginning of the session. If you took it on the 5-minute over here, you're already up 20 pips now. My trading view is lagging. Fuck. The rest is not lagging, but my trading. Oh my god. Sheet.
That's fucked up.
That's good.
It's a good thing that I'm in like 0.01.
Yeah,
so
try
I'm
it.
down like 60 cents.
Oh my god. I'm flying right now.
You
My
got
days.
this level
Bro.
breaks, then
50
boy.
pips. Eat. Close another 50. Oh, good. Well done to that. That was amazing. Crazy.
But don't keep in mind, this is only the first
Yeah, it's the first half.
19 minutes of the 1 hour candle.
Bro, yeah, I'm already up 50, so I don't care.
Nice.
Bumbleclaw? I took so at 91.35. Oh, that's literally one. That's a micro pip difference. Crazy. You guys caught the fake out. It's selling all day. Yes. You know, the thing was, the thing is, people are looking for buys, and the moment people are looking for buys, because I know a lot of people were buying over here, and some people in the chat also were looking for buys over here, is that price is just gonna dump down. Everyone's gonna be looking for buys.
Yeah, I knew we were selling before you did, bro.
Huh?
I knew we were selling before the dude that made the comment.
I was actually first looking for buys over here, like 1805. Didn't do it, and it was very stupid. Because that went up also like 50. My trading view is lagging. I need to open it. One. Really bad. Go away. Yes, now it's fixed. Yeah, I'm just hoping we can continue further down. We're back. Flip the candle again to the lows.
If we disrespect this area, it's gonna melt again.
Yeah. And look at this candle right here. Like, amazing. Hope some people got the sells on that level as well. It's already up 30 pips.
I'm not really looking to force myself anything. I had a fucking yesterday was banger.
Yeah, bro, it's too low as well now. So
yeah, yesterday
support.
I'm really, cause you know how I am. It's too low for me to sell right now. I'm not
Yeah.
looking for sells, buddy.
You look for buy. Let the price go up. Can you
Just got
please tell us
specific
how you
levels.
determine your daily bias? So you go to the daily time frame and you look at the daily candle and you see bearish daily candle with a wick to fill. That's it. And you see, for me, what also like showed me my daily bias is that, bro, I've seen this setup happen many times on the lower time frames. If you see this candle and a huge candle like this, you're gonna dump. But next to that, you can see how big the bearish candle was against this bullish candle, and it also broke the lows. Now it did not fully engulf the candle because it did not close below. So, but it's still bearish. Like, it's very bearish looking, right? Go to the 4-hour time frame. Go up. See this 4-hour previous candle close below this support, right? So the only thing we have to wait for is a retest and then continuation. If all that happens, we're Gucci, right? That's the only thing you gotta look out for. And then go to the 5-minute time frame or some other time frames to look for entries. Now, buying over here somewhere, you're buying straight in a recent support area which turned now into resistance, right? So if you wanted to be buying, you should have been buying over here, like I didn't do. I wanted to, but I didn't. I saw this 5-minute candle. The reason why I didn't is, first of all, I was looking at this one, so the break of these highs should have been the entry. Now I waited because I wanted to see a retest, but I saw this 5-minute closing without a top wick, and then this one bearish retesting, but it was just something was telling me not to take it. I don't know why, but it was only like a pip stop for continuation further up. Tradingview is shit right now. Lagging. 85 hit. That's nice. Very good.
Yeah, I'm watching this 5-minute candle.
Yeah,
Yeah, I better watch out, boy.
oh, bro, I've already secured a lot. I'm Gucci.
Oh, as long as you win for the day. Oop, that's it. As long as you win, doesn't matter what you do, man. You good.
Exactly. Yeah. Gucci.
Doesn't matter if you take 5 pips, 6 pips, 7 pips.
No, but I listened to you in this one. I heard you saying, hold your position.
Yeah, I closed mine at right at this level. It could possibly go down to 1780,
Yeah.
maybe even lower. Cause
I'm looking at 78.
yeah,
78. You have that rejection over here. Literally at that 78 zone. 1 hour, there's supports right here. I'm gonna try and hold it down to over here. Close one more partial over here, and then close all of it over here.
can you go to the 4-hour?
Yes.
Gotta just like these wicks, they X out. You gotta pay attention to this.
Yeah.
The bodies of these, it's gonna attract to it if it wants to. If it wants to come down, it's gonna attract to the bodies of the 4-hour.
Okay. So then price is just gonna get pushed further.
Yeah, because if it breaks below, that wick's just nothing, right?
Yeah.
It's just a wick. It's a rejection area. It's like a shield for this candle to come down lower. I mean, that's how I've been trading. It works. I just 4-hour support and resistance is always like my TP because it just works. It just attracts to it like magnet field. That's why if we're going up now, I'm targeting that 4-hour resistance up there.
Yeah. Wait, like the 94 all the way up 1807.
1807.
Yeah, this is minor.
Because if it respects this, then this was just a big break and retest. Support turn or resistance turn support. Plus your 7640 on the fib. Eh.
5 minutes.
Possible. And now I look for a break.
Oh, someone asked, where were your stop loss at? I had a bigger stop than normal. My stop loss. My stop loss was pretty much at the beginning. I was entering over here, and my stop loss was first looking around this area right here. Around the 18, 19 pip mark, 17, 18, 19 pips around that. And I secured first, that was like somewhere over here or something. I think somewhere here. I secured my first partial TP. So, that's pretty good. No 10 pips. So we're aiming for a lot more right now. See if we could go down there. I was myself, I was a little skeptical first because we already had a, if you look at the average moves on London and you go back, now we did have that huge drop, so we're expecting a little bit more now, but there's you see, the average move gold makes in London is around 60-70 pips, so I saw this move, was like, oh yeah, might consolidate. I was like, yeah, let's try it anyways. Give it a shot. Give it a shot and see what happens.
Yeah, it's not. This 5-minute candle needs to close. Really want to see what it does. There we go.
My trade ID did not work because of lines and buys.
I'm not in nothing, kid. I'm just chilling. Mean.
Bomba clock. 86 is a heavy weekly. So 23, 1800 is probability before going down to 70 monthly. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Will GJ still flip? It's in an uptrend in a higher time frame. I'll look at it in a second. Your share reason stream is paused. Yeah, I don't got no idea, man. I'm getting mad. I don't know what's going on. Does it every time? I'm gonna ask.
Alrighty.
There we go. What you do? You take it.
Maybe. This is a strong level here, bro.
Yeah, of course, yeah, sure.
So on the 1 hour, it's tapped here 3 times. It couldn't break.
Yeah, it does form equal lows then, and they need to be broken at one point. Like,
Yeah, I was just about to say that's just gonna make that a target.
yeah. So let's see. Somebody in
Lower.
the chat took a buy on gold. GJ dropped. Let's take a look at GJ. We'll be screaming GJ. Shit.
Damn.
God damn.
Damn, that shit did take a dookie.
Oh shit. Oh, 4 hour was a very nice confirmation. The way that just broke that. Look at the daily time frame. Daily previous up.
Shit, I took the buy on gold. Why? Why you take a buy on gold, bro?
Mad. Well, there's still a daily wick to fill on GJ. Weekly is still it tapped against that weekly resistance as well. So if you look on where the daily closed, you can see, put this line all the way over here and you put it to the weekly, you can see that we just closed sort of at the weekly resistance, which is a problem. We have a problem. And the 4 hour week also closed below the most recent support, which pretty much breaks the structure for now. So that was already confirmation for you to get in. If you look at the 1 hour time frame, there's a fake out on the 1 hour, pretty much closing above this freshly created resistance, close above, take everyone into buys and then dump on you. Maybe on the 5 minute time frame you can see some good confirmations. The 15 you can see this candle getting weak. Candle tried to go above, candle got weak. Price pulled up. The moment it started flipping, you should have gotten in already. 5 minute, holy shit. I don't know what happened over there. Crazy shit. But first went up and then down. Yeah, when this came back down, that's when you should have entered. That's when you should have entered the trade. Let me make a screenshot. Yeah, so GJ, I think on GJ you now have to wait. You have to wait. And maybe you can start looking for buys here, 156.6. Start filling the daily wick, because daily wick fill there should be, yeah, it could definitely, you know, do part of that daily wick. But you still gotta understand that you need to, you know, see some structure over here before you're gonna be able to take buys to continue moving up over here. Because there is a break of structure over here, right? So. So, good morning, friends of X. Buy on gold, quick scalp, perhaps. They're kind of closing bearish again. It's hard to say because those equal lows. I've seen equal lows get destroyed before, like absolutely destroyed. So. You consider gold 30-minute to the left in OB. This over here? No. No. You gotta understand that that candle. You gotta understand that if you want it to be an order block, it should be like this, and then you have this as an order block. You want it to be strong, like. And the weaker that is, the less strong it is. And now you want price to come back, tap in towards this zone, take sells, and let the price continue moving down. But it did not do that, and this is on point, perfect. You know how it's gonna happen, and you never know how it's actually gonna happen, right? So let it be bigger. It's not big enough. There's not like a big enough block created yet. So I would be very careful with the buys right now. Or what? The only way. You don't know when price is gonna stop, and yes, there's this line sitting right over here, right? And that's the support. But in my opinion, I would wait for a reversal on price for a moment. Let it make a new higher high as your first target. Get in, put your stops over here, and then let that price continue. Like if you're really aggressive, yeah, you know you can take it, but I would take it a little bit easier on it. That's what I would do at least. Oh shit. Iguala. Can you hear me? I think my internet's dead. Can you guys hear me or not? I mean, Tradingview is still running. Wait. If someone in the chat, please reply if you can hear me. Yes, we do. Okay, perfect. Because shit's... my screen on the right side is not working properly right now. And I can't hear Guala. Guala, can you speak for a moment? He's making coffee, but no idea. Now it's good. Okay, perfect. Yeah, okay. I was about to say shit was freezing, like it froze. Oh my! I'm dead on the chat. I'm dead. They sucked. Oh my god. Jeez. Good. For some reason my entire magic key shot off as well. Weird. From the States. Oh shit. Wagwan. Savian Wagwan. I'm Bombaclat. Let's look at GJ 5 minute. Could we call that order blocks? Oh, you gotta ask for yourself as well, Sylvester, that do you think that bigger institution is looking at that 5 minute time frame right now? Do you think they're looking at the 5 minute? No, they're looking at the daily. They're looking at the weekly. They're looking at the 4 hour. Looking at the 1 hour. Pretty much 4 hour and above most of the time. So, and like this candle right here, this is too big of a wick. You want that wick to be smaller. So you want it, if it wants to be looking like an order block, you wanted this to be gone, right? Then you had this zone as a retest for price to continue moving down, but you want to be looking at the higher time frames for those options. So the 1 hour, 4 hour order blocks and all of that. And I see price dumping down. If this breaks, we're fucked. And then shit's going down. Well, buyers are fucked. I'm used to trading gold. I was waiting for a break of structure in the 1 hour at 92, but never come back. Well, the thing is, the break of structure already happened, right? So you got to be looking for your entry at the retest, because if you look at the 1 hour time frame right here, what happened over here? By the bullish candle form, kind of close below, continuation down, lower low, lower high, lower low. What is this? This candle right over here is just a retracement for the 4 hour time frame to retest, because you can see on the 4 hour here we're coming down, we're respecting this support, we got a bullish candle created, we're still bullish at the moment, right? You look at the at all these time frames now. On the daily we're bearish, but overall we're going up, right? We're going up, up, up. Now as you can see on the 4 hour time frame, we closed below this area, which breaks the structure for the moment. Comes down, retest, get in, continuation down. So you're looking too far into the 1 hour time frame for 1 hour break of structure. And what do you think is going to happen? If you want to wait for a 1 hour break of structure, you first have to wait for another 1 hour, yeah, to form a bearish candle. Then you have to wait for another 1 hour to form a bullish candle. And after that, then there's a possible break of structure. So you have to count for yourselves, like how many candles have to be printed for me to see what I want to see. Otherwise you're going to be waiting very, very long. Like very, very, very long. Right? So yeah. You gotta be looking out for yourself on how long is something gonna take me to do. So on the 5 minute, it was maybe easier to enter when the 5 minutes started engulfing and faking out, right? Because if you just took the fake out, just said was also an option if you wanted to get into sells, right? It's not that far away. It would have been up pretty much 40 pips now. Did we break the low? No, we did not break the low yet. You can see. But in the 1 hour we did. I was hoping this can continue moving down towards that 78. We also fake out. Price can also say, hey, we're going to tap inside and then continue moving up. So if you want to get into sells now, you're already way too late. Like, look, I'm waiting for the buys. It's also good if you just want to wait for buys. It's perfect. You see, the candles are rejecting right now, so wait for that zone to be tapped out of. Let this break the structure. Let it come up, come down, and buy up. That's what you can wait for. That's at least if I was bullish biased, that's what I would do. You also gotta ask yourself, right? What does the previous 4 hour look like? Bullish. Does the previous daily look like? Bearish, I mean. Bearish. Bearish. So, there's still a potential fill further down to 82. I don't want to talk you out of your bias, right? As you can see on the monthly, how did the previous monthly candle close? Bearish, right? Where did we tap away from? Monthly resistance, right? Weekly is bullish. Did we fill the wick pretty much nearly all the way? Did we flip? Yes. That's a problem. So, of course, I'm not saying that there can't be any bullish momentum anymore. There can still be a move. Like, this is a point where you're going to be looking for buys, only you have to wait for the break of structure to happen for price to continue moving further up, because all of a sudden price can end up today at 1808, because as you can see on the daily time frame, we have not broken any structure yet. So at the moment, yes, we're still bullish. Previous daily though closed bearish, so I want to be sometimes a little bit careful with those buys, right? As you can see over here, we started that bearish momentum, right? Let's remove this one for a moment. So this is the high, right? This is a low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low, and then we had the breakout over here, and that's where you want to be waiting for on the 5 minute as well. So you see that lower low, lower high, lower low, break of structure, come back, retest, continuation. That's what you want to see on the 5 minute happening right now for you to be buying up. So that's what I would be waiting for. And as you can see on the daily time frame, we have the most support, resistance, support, resistance, and there is somewhat of a weird thing over here. I don't know exactly what that is, but at the moment we have not broken the structure over here. So on the higher time frames, there is a chance that we continue going down, but if we want to go down to 1730, we first have to break this area before continuing further down. Now what I said before is that I'm only looking for price to tap 78, and then I'm going to be looking for buys. And the reason I'm going to be looking for buys because we still have the highs over here, right? Still have these highs over here, which I want to go to. So let's see what it can do. I just want to be over here, and the reason why I want to be over here is because this is some sort of a support rejection area over here, and I want to see price step into this area, fake out, come back, retest, and then continue up towards this area over here. That's what I at least want to see myself, because it still has the potential to go towards this support. I'm not saying now, but there is potential. Below the hourly support, probably, but imagine buying over here, then your stop loss would have already been 40 pips. You know, buying even higher was even worse. As you can see in the 5 minute time frame now, 5 minute did close without a top wick, but you can see there's a break of structure right now, right? That's what you want to be waiting for before you're going to buy. So let it play out. Either if you're aggressive, you can buy over here. No, I wouldn't buy because there is no top wick on this 5 minute. So I would personally wait. Let it make a higher high. Let this level be broken. This level over here needs to be broken first. Let it come up, come down, and then take buys. Price to continue moving up to 91, 92, 93, and then maybe even higher. But let's see. Who else will we fake up? That's why I need to wait. I need to wait every single time for a target. Get back down, entry, continuation, because this is the breakout. And the breakout can hook you up. That's all I'm saying. Right? Arrows everywhere, yes. I want to be waiting for the price, make me a target. So let's say this candle is going to keep on going bullish, and give a small retrace, right? Tap this area again, and then take my buys right over here when I see something nice happening back up towards these levels over here. That's all you have to wait for. Like, just, you gotta understand that, like, people say, yeah, but you sold over here as well, not waiting for a candle. Yes, but this is just, that's the structure, right? Like, this can go lower, 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 lower. So once you start buying, like buying over maybe over here somewhere, or buying over here, 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 it can keep on going. Like, it does not need to stop, right? Because the bearish structure is still there. You need to wait for this to happen, let the price retest, continue, and make yourself a target to, continue moving up. If you let's say you're in a bullish uptrend, right? You're in an uptrend, vice versa for the moment, but that's not a problem. And let's say over here, right? We're coming up towards this resistance over here, and prices are coming up, and then you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna sell now. I'm gonna sell now just because there's a resistance. Just because there's a resistance, I'm gonna sell now. This price can continue moving up, 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 up before it's gonna sell. Right? So you gotta wait for yourself, like, hey, on the lower time frames, I see some break of structure, and on this one, I'm gonna be selling down. Or you see a very, very big rejection wick, and you can sell down. But randomly just selling because it came towards a support or resistance, while it's in an uptrend or a downtrend, can hurt you, and it hurt me as well. Like, to be fair with you, I've had moments where I just, where I would have just bought the support because I thought it was not going to go deeper down, and it was going to reverse, and then it keeps on going down, and it goes further, and it goes further, and it goes further, and it goes further, and then what are you going to do? Yo, AJ, I'm going to invite you real quick, man. There you go. You see, and a beef. Oh shit! Look at the rejection in the 5 minute now. But already opened, broke the high. Making a bottom wick now. Guala is focused. You can see the focus. Boy.
Yo.
You good, bro?
What up?
Guala.
What up?
How's you, man?
Chillin'.
You getting any trades yet?
Oh, I caught these buys here, from here to here. That's about it.
Bro, I was about to take them, and I talked myself out of them. I'm telling you, I don't know. I was wanting to take him on the high right here when this candle started going up, and then I was like, yeah, wait for a retest, and then I saw the candle closing with a 5 minute top wick, came back, and I was like a little skeptical about it. Didn't take it, and then just flew up. But I took sells over here.
These were the best sells though, because this was the break of structure, right?
Yeah.
This was that retest.
Yeah, I took him.
You took those?
Yeah, I'm still in.
Oh, awesome.
42 pips up right now, 43. I took him at 91.34. So pretty much.
Big lot or
Huh?
a big lots or not?
No, not big lot. Normal. But barely any drawdown.
Yeah. Should be an old drawdown.
And I took a small lot because I just wanted to. It was not like small, but like I wanted to secure it later. So like I secured my first position that was like 33 pips instead of 15 or 10.
Awesome, finally.
So that's what my plan was on this trade. Now we're looking.
Killing it, bro. Killing it.
Yeah, man. You see the trade on Monday? So it was killer trade as well.
Yeah.
GJ back. Oh shit. Look at GJ Koala. Just dumping.
Damn. I kind of
Taking his
suspected
shit.
that. That shit's too high.
Yeah.
I see
Yeah.
that shit falling all the way, bro. Probably even
Like
today.
46.
Chris-
46, that's where I'm looking.
Chris got new cells over here. He should be more than 100 pips up.
Yeah, that shit should fall, free fall, just chilling.
Yeah.
These is like over leveraged cells right here. I mean, let's be real. You could sell this daily engulfing, put stops above that previous daily wick,
Yeah.
and have fucking take profits at that
50.
the first resistance you see. Easy. That's how I've been trading lately.
Too
I
much.
swear. No time.
But then you have a pretty big stop, right?
Yeah, like
150.
150 pip, 200 pips at times.
And target
Yeah,
is
you
all the way
caught it
over
on
here.
the daily order block right there.
Yeah. But that wick is ugly though, right here, right?
Yeah, but still, like it's still daily. It's a daily, so it's like exception.
Yeah, true. It's a retest on other time frames as well. If you look at the 9
Yeah,
hour.
I'm pretty sure if you look at it on a lower time frame, it's cleaner.
9 hours is straight retest.
There you go.
The breakouts,
I'll be
breakout,
right back.
continue down, breakout with this support, break with this support, down, retest, continuation.
Beautiful. Yeah, it might come down to this.
Oh. This over here, okay, yeah. Let's see. Should be good.
Yeah, but I just can't trade DJ anymore.
Nah, she's a hoe. You guys looking absolutely perfect tonight. You look, thank you. You're getting roasted in the chat.
Who?
You. By someone. Read it. You're allowed to let go. Do your thing. Read it.
Who?
Candlin 41.
It's on everybody's stream. It was like super. Only after the fact it tells you the hell out of here. Bet, bro. Let's compare bank accounts. That's all I can say.
Gosh. Is what it is. I want to go to a beef, but that's a good one. Turns out from my beef, shit. About 80 pip move on G-Jam still holding. But then you're Gucci, man. That's a savage move. For the 4 hour. Damn. My opinion, best entries are over here. Go in. Sheet. Yeah, that 5 minute over here at the London Open took everyone into buys. And just shit just dumped on you. Mad. Just getting weak. And oh, nice. That's so big. You good, bro? Ooh, he came back. He came back at it. He says, "Yes, let's do it. I will post my trade." He posts his history. Yo, he replied to it. Yo, Abdul.
Yeah. I told him send me a message.
Ooh, send him a message. Dr. AJFX on
Yeah,
Instagram.
Bitcoin is fucking melting.
Did you see his mouth? What?
Bitcoin.
Holy shit! It's $1,000 right there. Gone. Down the drain. Boy. How much is that? Oh,
much.
fuck. That's a lot.
Too much sauce.
That's crazy. What is that? That in 1 hour time. Last 4 hours. Let's see what the last 4 hours did. Gee. The current 4 hour is already down like 1,500. The previous one also 1,500. That's 3,000 right there. Imagine if you hold like 5. You're down big time. I can't say shit. Still went fucking high, so. Look on the daily. Oh, it made new higher highs, right? So it's not bad, but gee, imagine people buying the higher high. Went down to those 29s. I wish it went further down. Maybe. Daily closed above 1788.56. Yeah, true. Sure thing, man. I'll come by. I'll come by. Mm. 1 hour candle closure, closed bearish. If you look at the 30, it closed pretty weak bullish, rejecting bearish momentum. Let's see. 15 closed engulfing bullish. Amazing. You, bro?
Let's see what happened here. Nothing. Same spot.
Yeah, it's a sticky situation.
Yeah, it's look at the 30-minute close, pretty good for buys, but engulfing now again.
I would just wait. Honestly, I would let it break,
Yeah,
let it do its thing, and then let it retest.
sells. That's it.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
Yeah, I'm holding my rune to 78. I'm not touching it to 78 now. See if we can hit that. That would be fun. Guys, also make sure to check me out on ShareVision. I think it should be good now.
See, this like doesn't want to break that level. Just lollygagging.
Yeah.
New York's gonna be moved. Not gonna do shit now.
Why did Bitcoin drop?
Yeah, I'm asking myself as well now. Like a very weird time to dump. And
Bitcoin dump?
Dump. Yep, bro. Look at my screen.
Down.
Look at the last 5-minute
It's still
candles.
going.
Bro, since here till here, that's $3,000. That's from 6:30 our time. Voila. Shit.
Well,
Damn, like the rest should be dropping as well. Let me look at my portfolio.
It's just taking everybody out before.
Yeah.
go to VeChain. I got
Yeah.
tons of money in that shit. I make money. That's my retirement coin. Yeah.
Holy
That's fucked up. You know how much that is?
Good thing I got positions from 8 cents, 7 cents. Well, only thing it's doing for me right now is giving me an opportunity to buy some more.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Discount, bro.
Damn, that shit did eat up like 10 days worth of price action.
Holy shit.
Come on, bruh.
Look
I
at
don't
it.
even want to look at my portfolio right now.
Bro, look how much that is in percent. Fuck. That's a lot. That's a lot.
I got H bar. I got something invested in H bar. That's like a long term investment though.
Yeah, so is VeChain. But you see what they said about what China said about VeChain?
No, what they say?
That's like the only crypto they want to work with. So
Do you still hold that? What was that thing again? You were holding the other one as well. Sorry with a H as well. What's it called? again?
Holo.
Holo, yeah.
Yeah, I still got some of that. Got like
No,
20,000.
but H bar for real. Like, you should look it up because like the Federal Reserve is gonna use it as its digital currency.
Like H bar like this?
Yeah, H bar USD.
Oh, it's really cheap as well.
But they're
It's been low as well.
3 cents.
I'm looking at a couple other things to buy. I'm gonna buy some. Let's see.
I just got 4 what I invest in every month. Otherwise,
Got
it's
this
too
on
much.
Binance, or where did you buy that?
H bar. Yeah, on Binance.
Oh, I see. I might buy some soon. 14% down. Why the fuck not? With the other shit.
Buy Cardano every day. $5 a day. Buy Cardano.
And financial advice or not?
No, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor.
Okay. I just fuck with you. Sweet.
Bitcoin took shit. Da, 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 da. It took a shit.
What?
Yeah, 3 seconds,
What?
bro.
Bro, that's from an ad.
But
Da, 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 da.
yeah, it's McDonald's. Made my ghetto gospel McDonald's remix thing.
Is not working, mate? Yeah, I thought so. I'm gonna look into it in a couple minutes. Let me buy some of that. She. Okay. Anyways.
I want another drop on Ethereum to like $1,000. So I'll snatch that up. I got buy limits waiting there.
The XRP as well.
Yeah, XRP is one I invest in every month.
Oh, let's get it.
I still got an XRP from 13 cents.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah, it's like 2.5, 3 years ago. When I first got into like crypto investing, that's like one of the first coins I bought.
She.
Yeah, that one only needs to touch like $5. I'll be happy.
My
If they win
first.
that lawsuit next year or in 2 years, however long it's gonna take, man,
You're gonna be rich as fuck.
I won't be rich as fuck. I'll just have a big boost in my bank account.
Gold again. Yeah, let's see. Guys, where are those likes at? We nearly have 250 people in, and we only have 47 likes. Those are absolute rookie numbers. Absolute rookie numbers. Gotta pump those numbers up.
Luke, if I
creating
buy a
the fire.
PlayStation in the Netherlands, it's gonna work here in Belgium, right?
Yeah, should work, yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Zelfde stekker toch?
Ja, sowieso. Is niet de Engels. Een normale.
Yeah, I can't get my hands on a PlayStation to save my life.
You can get the PlayStation 5.
Yeah, bro, I'm tired of playing the PlayStation 4. Can't get my hands on one.
Yeah, it's hard. Same with iPhone 13s now. They really get hard to get on. If you bought some, I think you could sell it with profit as well.
iPhone 13.
Yeah,
A new
13 Max Gold. Yeah, I think if you bought that, bought a couple Max Golds, I think it's very hard to get your hands on one now. Not yet. But it's gonna get very hard soon. Because I know some stores they can't buy them anymore. They don't have them in stock. Out of stock.
Hello?
Yo.
Oh, man.
I think it takes really long for if you order one until it's.
Hello?
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah, okay. I plugged in a charger into my phone, but that charger is the same from a speaker, so it automatically switches to headphones.
Okay, the best is if you're gonna do that. You want to resell. You need to get that Pro Max Gold. Gold is like one of the most sort of colors.
Yeah. Only thing I'm about to resell again is sneakers.
Yeah. I find it too little profit, too high risk in my opinion. Like if you got like a bulk, you're able to get that first shipment and you Gucci, but I don't know.
Nah,
like
you know what you
I
need
see
to
some
do?
people only making like 50 to 100 profit on fucking shoes. I'm like, nah, you mad?
Yeah, you know what you need to do. You need to, like you said, exactly buy in bulk.
Yeah,
Buy like 10 pairs at a time.
yeah,
But then you gotta do it with a bot. It's these bots that always reserve
yeah,
you tickets. But
exactly.
those bots are like expensive. They're like 3K. But I'm thinking about investing.
Bro,
in
if you can buy a couple bucks and you can secure the bot, like as soon as it's gonna be for free, you got it out easy, and then you're just gonna go keep on going. The only thing I do too much, man. Like I don't know, not really my thing. Well, I know some, but that do it, but just when we talk about the profits, that's little, man.
I like shoes though.
That's good.
I like shoes.
I like those. I wanted those Air Jordan 1s University Blues. I like those.
Yeah, have you sold them again? You
Uh,
sold them?
Nah, bro. I wish, bro. They're worth for like 350 now, 400.
Yeah. My girl does that shit too, low key. That's why I'm low key trying to get into that. But she
Yeah,
like buys 2 pair always,
Yeah.
and she like wear one and sell one. She got her hands on those Travis Scotts.
Okay. Damn.
First one that came out. Yeah, she has one
She.
for a woman. Untouched.
Yeah. The moment if you put your feet in it, it's over.
Yeah, you lose half the position.
Yep. Stop loss hit. But I heard now that when that like retailers are like they're breaking the boxes, like making the boxes look shit for resellers. There's some people do that.
I don't know.
But yeah, everything's dumping. It's pretty much coming up 40 minutes till that 4-hour kind of closure. My favorite thing about shoes are walk on rocks. No shit.
What did you say?
Don't even want to.
Change down 10%.
My favorite thing about shoes are you can walk on rocks. No shit.
You can also walk on the ocean.
You can also walk on rocks with bare feet. Wait. Oh my god. Brain cells left the chat.
Thanks.
Oh shit. I was just fucking with you, Joey. No worries. Apple always plays around with stocks. And I'll drive up the demand. I wish I bought Microsoft. I was like a couple, I don't know how long ago that was. But I was looking to buy Microsoft when it was like 130 or something. Like fucking low. It was like, yeah, around somewhere here. Here, then it pushed up and I was like too late, and then over here, wanted to buy it, too late. Stupid.
You know what I really regret not buying back when Ethereum was like $50. Like I used to look
Yeah,
at it
bro,
every day,
me
but I
too.
didn't know nothing about the shit.
Same. I was looking at it, I was like, yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
like 3-4 years ago. I was like, what is this?
Yeah. That was stupid. I didn't even do shit. Like, bruv, if you look at March, the beginning of 2020, look how fucking low it was. $100?
Mm-hmm.
$100. Beginning of March 2020. Highs was 280. The fucking $100. If you took that, if you only
10 shares of that.
yeah, 10 shares that put $1,000 in it, you would have been fucking flying, man.
You'll have like 40K right now.
Yeah. Easy. And it no drawdown, fam.
Straight profit.
Straight profit, no drawdown. We don't give a fuck.
He boosts. Got 20 boosts.
But yeah, then it's like at 1,000, you're gonna ask yourself, like, should I take profit or not? Yeah.
Fuck no.
Hold it.
Hold it. Especially all the rumors that's coming up. We're going to 10K.
Hold it. What you could have done though, like you could have bought all of them over here. If you have 10 shares at like $100, right? $1,000. If it's like worth $1,000 after that, take one out, take one share out, and you got unlimited free investment. You got 9 Ethereum for free.
Yep.
Take it out and let it just run. And it's just sold, just one. You got your investment out. You can put $1,000 in something else again.
That's why I kind of like love with cryptos. You could just catch them so low, and if you're patient, you could just wait.
You know my
like I can't wait till Ripple wins the SEC. That's game for me.
You know my SafeMoon story. I put
No,
$50
I don't think so.
I put $50 into SafeMoon, yeah. That $50 after a couple weeks, it became like 500 something. I was like, okay, yeah, bro. No, this story gets better. And I take all of it out. I was like, oh, I'm fine, $500. Like, take it out, and it left 17 euros. 17 euros became the same.
170?
No, 17 euros. I left. I took of that 500 something. It was like 530 or something. I don't know how much. I took most of it out, and I left 17 euros of the 500 something. And that 17 euros became the same again.
Damn, bro.
If I held that, shit. Oh, mad. $29 times, but that 500 times 29, 14 grand. For it, yeah, that's the chance you gotta take, and that's why you don't have to put massive money into it. Like if you just bought one somewhere over here for like $200 or $100 or like somewhere in this region, you know, and you just hold the price, you know, it's Gucci. And then some are gonna work, some are not gonna work, but just that's the risk you're taking, right? Most of the time you're not gonna lose everything anyways, and if one starts flying, it will make most of your losses back and all the other ones you had. But yeah, you're true. Like, how do you know which one's gonna fly?
Yeah, that is true though. Far A, he said easy today, easy to say.
Yep.
The stuff's in hindsight. Facts. That's why you gotta do your research, and that's why I only invest in 4 coins now at this moment. Because I did my research.
I've only, I have 3 right now. That's it. Well, Boo with Tulip, they made tons of money with that as well. Rich ass.
Yeah, it's just what's it called? Elon Musk came and talked about Dogecoin.
Huh?
And why he actually invested in it.
Didn't.
What is it?
You can't talk about it.
No. He was saying he came out and.
I can hear you very badly, man. Your mic is falling away.
Hear me now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was saying Dogecoin. Elon Musk came and talked about it, and he was like, I invested into it because he felt that it was the coin of the people.
Yeah.
And this was recent, so
Yeah.
I'm guessing prices should be flying.
And this one, stop streaming. Killed the thing for a moment. Savage. So, it was a pretty crazy day. Gold's going down again. Hopefully, we can hit that 7-8 zone. That's where my TP is, in at that zone over here. So, not much further to go. Guys, thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like and also especially to subscribe. We're trying to go to 17,000 the next 2 months. So if you have not subscribed yet and you took the sell from the beginning of the stream, well done. It was an easy 40 pips from the 5-minute candle engulfing. So take it easy, don't overtrade, don't over risk, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning again at the London session live streams. Bye bye.
Bye.